Yo, we got to figure out where g is decreasing, which is the same thing as saying where g prime is less than 0, which means we got to figure out g prime, which is x squared plus 3x minus 70. And we got to figure out where that's less than 0. So the first thing we want to do is factor this guy. And this is going to factor into x plus 10, x minus 7. So we want to know where that is less than 0. And if you're super good with your pre-calc, then this is something you would already know the answer to very quickly, where when you have a less than, you can say you have a less than. In other words, you are going to be less than 7 and greater than negative 10. That's where you will get your g prime to be less than 0. So it's going to be in this interval, and that matches up with D. Now, in case you saw a greater than sign, you would have gone after these other intervals, and you can remember that because of the probably easier one to understand, which is the great or. That would have been x is greater than 7 or x is less than negative 10. So great or is when you have the greater sign, and that's when you go after the outer stuff. But less than is when you have the less than sign, which is what we had. So that's where you go after the inner stuff. So in this case, x is less than 7 and x is greater than negative 10. See you later.